I give Pirates njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi leli Pirates izoyiwina. Uma ungacheka iDurban City ayifani nemagesi. iDurban City sikhuluma ngeteam edlala iCAF Confederation next season.
Yeah.
So the quality angeke ifane Mr Nkewu, and into engibhekile ku team efana neOrbit, I don't think bangakwazi ukustop iOrlando Pirates. Yes, ku football kuyenzeka, sinokusho sithi imhlolo iyenzeka, but I don't think iOrlando Pirates angayiluza leya game kuOrbit or idraw, because iyazi ukuthi kuluza leya game or draw leya game siluza into esina 14 years silindele. So for me, I can give Orlando Pirates kuleya game eMbombela ukuthi mangabe ngizwe njalo, I'm not sure ukuthi it's
confirmed. Yeah, it is going to Mbombela.
Yes. So uma ngabe vele iya kuleya pitch, khumbule ukuthi
World Cup Stadium,
Mr Nkewu, baningi abake bakhala lapha afikile urile ngama last minute yeNetbank, so bajwayele ukuthi mhlambe baka celebrate kuleya pitch Mr Nkewu. So ngiyayinikeza Orlando Pirates, ngicabanga ukuthi ne upper hand namanje ngisasho i-league isezanenze Orlando Pirates Mr Nkewu.
Oh, it's up to them to drop it.
Exactly.
And I'm sure Sundowns is not going to say thank you very much. My drop Pirates, Sundowns was going to celebrate.
But by celebrate abakuphi?
By celebrate bese Africa. So celebrating ngenhliziyo, it doesn't mean you're going to reject it ukuthi sayifuni.
Yeah.
That's the point of making that. Whatever happens next week, because all results are possible in football.
Yeah.
If Pirates does not win, then Sundowns will have a league, even though they've finished the season 2 weeks before. So Sundowns is not going to reject it. I understand what you're saying, Bob. I'm not even trying to chiga nayo. But Sundowns will accept it if it's put on the table. It will be a fumble by Orlando Pirates if they fumble it.
Izoba Mr Nkewu Pirates ilahle elinye ithuba angicabanga ukuthi angiboni ukuthi bangaphinda balithole, but I do believe Mr Nkewu as ngisho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngiyibona ilifta leya league title eMbombela, because ngibukena le opponent yodlala nayo Mr Nkewu. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyoba igcwele leyankundla njengoba sibone iOrlando bengakhona today Mr Nkewu. So I give to Orlando Pirates Mr Nkewu.